So prime and composite numbers are interesting, but we want to be able to use them for something practical. Here's one way. Let's look at 1260 divided by 15. Now I know that you've got calculators and computers these days, but being able to understand how it works is just as important as being able to crunch the numbers. What I can say is that with a few little pieces of knowledge, I can look at 1260 and I can turn it into its prime factors. So I get 2 and 3 and 5 and 7. And the same with 15. How can I see that so quickly? Well, because I've got the 0, I know that I've got 2 times 5, because that's 10. And then that leaves me with 126. 126 is an even number, so I know I've got another 2 in there. Oops. There we go. I've got another 2 in here that I can take out. And that leaves me with 63. 63, well, both 6 and 3 are multiples of 3. So I know I've got a 3 in there. So I've got 1 3 that I can get rid of. If I divide that, I've got 21. Well, that means I've got another 3, because again, it's divisible by 3. And I know this because of rules from year 5, because 2 plus 1, I should say, is equal to 3. And if I add all up the digits and they come to 3 or 6 or 9, I know that the first number was also divisible by 3. So I've got that one. And then, well, 3 times 7 gives me 21, so that's my number there. So I've broken that up really quickly into all its prime factors. Same thing for 15. I've got 3 and I've got 5. So now I can, instead of having to go through and do long division, I can simply go, well, that 5 and that 5 cancel each other out, and that 3 and that 3 cancel each other out. So I'm left with 2 by 2 by 3 by 7. 2 by 2 is 4, and 3 by 7 is 21, and 4 by 21, 4 ones are 4, and 4 twos are 8. So using prime factorization means that I can quite quickly and easily check and see what my numbers are, and I can divide them really quickly as well. In the next activity, you're going to be practicing this yourselves, and you might want to even look at giving some of your classmates or your partners fractions to do like this as well, or divisions to do like this as well.